Hello， 大家好，歡迎你收睇我嘅 YouTube channel 英國生活英語講正啲，我係阿 Man 啊。今次同大家講講第二節嘅 Part 2 DIY 嘅 vocab。OK， right, let's start straight away。我哋睇睇呢一個page 先，由左邊開始。Duct tape, duct tape, duct tape， 即係灰色或者黑色嗰啲好強壯嘅嗰啲膠紙，通常係水電用嘅。Circular saw, circular saw, circular saw， 圓形嘅嗰啲電鋸。通常我哋鋸木或者鋸鐵都得嘅。Toolbox, toolbox, toolbox， 做工具啲工具箱啦。Soldering iron, soldering iron, soldering iron， 焊槍或者叫做辣雞。Spade, spade, spade， 通常個鏟咧係尖嘅，我哋種花用整泥用嘅。Lawn mower, lawn mower, lawn mower， 剪草機，每一個英國家庭都會有噶啦。Shed, shed, shed，通常喺後花園有一個木屋仔嘅，我哋做工具嘅咧就係 shed。Wheelbarrow, wheelbarrow, wheelbarrow， 我哋推啲紅毛泥石屎，一個好大好肥個轆嘅嗰個車仔叫做 wheelbarrow。Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle， 鏟。通常係鏟沙石嗰啲咧，重嘅嘢咧，我哋就會用 shuffle。OK， 同埋平嘅嗰個鏟嘅末端。Staple gun, staple gun, staple gun， 一啲好似釘書機咁樣，但係咧係 heavy duty 嘅。Garden hose, garden hose, garden hose， 淋花用嗰啲水喉。Rake, rake, rake， 剪完草之後，用呢一個工具咧，我嚟爬翻啲草，聚積埋啲草一齊嘅。嗰個工具就係 rake， 好似把梳咁樣嘅。Cordless screwdriver, cordless screwdriver, cordless screwdriver， 用電池嘅螺絲批。英國絕大部分咧都要用晒電嘅，而家所有嘅工具，電池嘅鑽電池嘅 grinder，電池嘅鋸。Plane, plane, plane， 除咗解飛機咧，係工具呢一方面咧，係講個木刨刨木嗰個工具嘅就係 plane。Utility knife, utility knife, utility knife， KN 上鼻個音 knife，OK， 唔好 live 係錯嘅。KN 上鼻嘅音。Utility knife 咧係解嗰啲好似剪紙刀嗰啲咁樣咯，好尖嘅，伸縮到嘅。Vise, vise, vise， 嗰啲台面上邊嗰啲鉗住一啲物品咧，等佢唔好喐嘅，你鋸佢嗰陣時唔會走位嘅。Vise。Axe, axe 斧頭冇 s OK 冇 s axe 個口去推返入去嘅音。paint roller 油灰水嗰啲碌啊 OK 好方便嘅 paint roller。 angle grinder 我嚟鋸鐵嘅嗰啲工具 OK 記住 grind 捲脷。trowel 一啲小嘅好似鏟咁樣，我嚟用批盪又得，我嚟用去做 gardening 嘅工作亦都得。trowel mop 地拖桶咧就係 mop bucket white spirit 天下水。paint tray 油我哋再油嘅嗰啲器皿咧叫做 paint tray。 OK 嗱，咁睇完呢一系列嘅生字咧，咁我哋睇一睇點樣利用到嗰啲vocab。 Right? Duct tape and plumbing tape are great for quick repairs. Duct tape and plumbing tape are great for quick repairs. 記住唔好讀 plumbing 啊 OK MB 係讀個 M 音 plumbing. We sometimes put our lawnmower, shovel, garden hose, spade, and axe in our garden shed. We sometimes put our lawnmower, shovel, garden hose, spade, and axe in our garden shed. Right? Another example. Take extra care when using tools like soldering iron, staple gun, utility knife, and plane, etc., etc. Take extra care when using tools like soldering iron, staple gun, utility knife, and plane, etc., etc., etc. OK， 自己可以 pause 個 video， 重複試下自己嘅 pronunciation。 Next one, we always need to have a mop and bucket handy. We always need to have a mop and bucket handy. Sometimes we need to use white spirit to clean our hands. Sometimes we need to use white spirit to clean our hands. 有時咧，我哋游完泳之後咧，需要用天下水去洗手。Okay, another one. Angle grinder is needed when you want to cut this metal bar. Angle grinder is needed when you want to cut this metal bar. 有陣時需要用呢個 angle grinder 去切割呢一條嘅鋼筋或者係鐵嘅巴。Paint, roller and brushes must be cleaned after use. Paint, roller and brushes must be cleaned after use. 游完油之後咧，嗰啲油掃啊，嗰啲 roller 一定要洗乾淨先得，咁下次咧就用唔到。Right， 好啦，不如考考自己好冇 ？Tell me what is this? What is it? Circular saw. How about this one? Spade. How about this one? Axe. And this one? Rake. OK， 如果大家唔肯定嘅話，可以重複 repeat and practice。OK， 最緊要熟能生巧 ，repeat and check your pronunciation。好多時候，我哋唔係幾識問問題喎，或者係想揾工具嗰陣時候，咁我哋去到間鋪頭咧，就會可能去問。咁我哋點問呢？好簡單 ，Excuse me, I'm looking for 指住嗰樣嘢，或者係揸住個mobile phone有幅相嘅話，咁咪可以表達到咯。有陣時可能隨時唔記得咗嗰啲名啊，或者生字。OK， 最緊要記住 ，at the end always say thank you， 最基本嘅禮貌 ，always say thank you。OK， 今日就第二節可以講到暫此。Right, so if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to ring the bell. Right, 可以嘅話 like, subscribe 同埋 make comment， 最緊要撳下鐘仔。Right then， 下一節 Part 3咧。就同大家再講一講比較深少少嘅DIY tools 嘅 vocab。Okay then, so speak to you soon. Bye now.